timing.
Nice. Well, we just arrived via Licola. Beautiful drive this afternoon. This is, what do you think, Adam?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Hey?
Absolutely stunning.
Adam's not been here before, so good.
Beautiful. Look at that. Boutique little spot.
Perfect. And look at that sunset.
And the view.
And the view. Oh, just in time. Crack a couple of beers, relax, get some timber, get this fire roaring. Licola lady, I've forgotten her name, friendly, beautiful lady, and she said it was going to be extremely cold tonight, and there was still a bit of ice on the side of the roads driving up here. We're at an elevation. I was here not long ago, but hey, why am I back? Mate, seriously? Have a look at that. Oh, happy days.
Nice coals.
Beautiful coals. Nice fire.
Of the warm acoustic guitar, blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing
Oh, that looks magic.
Lovely. Nice eye fillet. Lovely.
sound of distant gulls and the rolling tide add layers to the tranquil sense tape of this coastal escape.
Oh.
Lovely.
How's your, fillet?
Eye fillet. Eye fillet roll. Lovely. Beautiful.
Nicely done.
Music guide you into an untouched paradise.
Woke up to a beautiful day this morning. A bit of low-lying cloud, but it's going to be a gorgeous day. Beautiful day. The sunrise was absolutely beautiful, which I slept through it, but Adam here was nice enough to take a photo. So thank you, Adam. Fire's going. I've been here before, as I said, so it never disappoints. And if you're in the area, why not? It's just nice. So today we're meeting up with another crew that we've been invited to to join. So looking forward to the next few days. So this is what we woke up to this morning. Oh, sub-zero temperatures, but it was nice and cozy in the swag. So there we go. So we're off for another beautiful day drive.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day.
So we're planning on going to the Pinnacles just to have a look after the fires here, and but unfortunately it's still closed, so obviously still repairing the fire damaged area. Yeah, we can see the fire damage around the Pinnacles area. Billy Goat Bluff. Yeah, took a hiding with the fires. You can see it better back here. So it's been graded, all the fun bits are gone, but so all this stuff's going to get washed away eventually and you're left with rock again. So at the moment it's quite easy. Kingswill's Bridge. Redemption time, South Basalt, but apparently it's been graded.
Big people coming down from the top there, Luke.
Roger.
Yep, yeah, just sort of straight ahead from there. Just slowly.
She's steep, Adam, but she's a walk in the park.
Roger. Ready? Pass me your mobile again, Luke, over.
Yeah, I'm mobile. Come through when you want.
Okay, on the move.
Thank you. Thank you. Ritchie track. Yeah, I'm just glad no one's here because of the fact that if someone was here, what do we do if a crew's coming tonight?
I know, I was thinking that. You're fucked. You've got to fucking get contact and, I don't know, you sit up at the... I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're here.
So we've just set up at Whiskey Bottle Flat campground. It's only small, so we're expecting 5 more vehicles tonight. So I'm not organising it. This is the meetup point on Ritchie Road. Easy road to get in. And there's a creek back there which would be nice to wash up in. I don't think it's anyone we know.
Oh, yeah. Isn't that Matt?
No, Matt's got a grey one.
What fucking colour is that?
I don't know. Hey mate, no what? Get out, dude! This fucking camp spot's taken, mate!
Yeah, I know.
Get out! How you going?
Good, how are you?
Luca, how are you, mate?
You're Luca? Yep, I'm Eddie.
Eddie, how you going, Eddie?
Good, how are you? Adam, how are you? Alright, how are you?
Paul, how you going, mate?
Hello, stranger.
Surprised you weren't blazing the trails.
How are you? No, it's coming in.
Oh, you got stuck. You got stuck in the back end, did you?
Behind a 4.2.
Fuck cold! Fuck this shit!
Welcome to Victoria.
Bloody Queenslanders.
Oh right, okay.
Yeah, that's what that's about. Yeah.
And Luca,
G'day, Luca. How are you, mate?
pleased to meet you, mate.
G'day, mate. How are you?
Yeah.
Good. What?
Oh, I'm going to fucking whinge about the cold.
Well, there you go. We've got the
Let's
fucking fire
let's
going
let's
for
just biff his fucking keys in the river.
I don't do that. I've already got enough shit going on at home. I'm pretty certain she wouldn't run them down to me.
So the crew has finally arrived. As I said, Adam and I were invited to this trip. They're going for about 7 days, half of which are one from from Queensland. A few from New South Wales there, I think, and the rest of Victoria. Oh, what a night! Sitting around this campfire, sun blazing. The stories, especially from this guy over here. His name's Paul, but we call him Hollywood. Oh, mate, he's sensational. Oh, belly laughs. And yes, don't mind that bonnet. That bonnet doesn't say anything. We're just looking at the old mighty V8. Now, what sort of engine was it again?
6.5 litre Chev.
6.5 litre Chev, and
Diesel.
yeah, so we're just admiring it. Had to put an electrical, some vacuum pump there and stuff. So he's wired it all up. Got here late, but better late than never. Yeah, so here's the crew, and happy days.
Are you slowing it down, Oda? So, mate, you go.
So we left camp, Ritchie Road from camp, turned right into Brewery Creek track. Beautiful bunch it's a beautiful group. Yeah, really get along really well, which is nice. Meeting new people, it's hit and miss at times, but what a great bunch of people they are.
What are we all? Low range here.
So from the camp spot, Ritchie Road, Brewery Creek track. Now Sarah Spur. Sarah Spur track looks as if it's all been redone. It's a beautiful track, crossing the Woongoongara River and then getting up to Mount Sarah.
Top of that steep climb, it veers to the right, over. Copy.
Where's the bloody road? Gurra River. Most of Sarah's spur track has been graded. All those steep, beautiful drive, it's all been graded and the track's been cleared. There's no overhanging branches anymore. Certainly most part of it, 95% of it. Mount Sarah. So on top of Mount Sarah, all that bog area has all been cleared away. There's no bog left. We're starting to look a bit like ferals. Having lunch on a track. Tried to find a home. No one wants fucking roosters apart from the fucking Chinese. We'll look after them, yeah. So anyway, so we had to put them down at the vet, fucking $120 each. Mind you, we've got a fucking nice little bag to fucking put them in and shit and bury them.
Was it one of those oven safe bags?
I don't know.
The bag say KFC on it.
That looks good.
I see you blokes don't have lamb cutlets down here in Victoria.
Lamb cutlets. Is that what you call a lamb cutlet, mate?
Lamb cutlet.
Mate, that looks good. Where's your veggies?
Veggies?
What?
He's looking at veg.
We send them to a special school.
Oh, look at this content, Dan. Good thing he puts his own audio over the top later.
Exactly, yeah. We'll put some music over that.
Yeah, it'll be.
Oh, head, no shaft down there.
Pretty close there, pretty close. That's a lot of meat.
That's what she said.
I've heard that about Ed. First time he's heard that.
I'm just trying to make a family-friendly video about camp cooking.
And it's gone to the gutter.
This is just the way we are.